Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 15 Plus for visible by Verizon. So the iPhone 15 Plus is now here at visible by Verizon. Y'all guys have 3 storage options and 5 colors to choose from there. So pretty cool there. So y'all guys have black, blue, green, yellow, and pink. So depending on what color and storage option that you guys want, it may or may not be in stock. So check periodically to see if the color and storage that you guys want is in stock. So each time I go over color, it's not in stock. So yeah. Yeah, there's the iPhone 15 Plus. It's basically a bigger iPhone 15. If you guys like big screen phones, this is the phone for you. Anyways, it has your card out there for your dynamic island, power button on the right side of the phone, the volume keys on the left side of the phone, and along with your alert button or whatever the hell it is. Dual camera setup, camera flash, Apple logo. There is a closer look at the dual camera setup, camera flash, power button on the right side of the phone. There it is in the 5 colors. Dynamic island stays on top of it all. Durable, color infused glass with a aluminum design. A proven powerhouse, charging as easy as USB-C. Awesome auto battery life. And what's included with the iPhone 15 Plus is, of course, your iPhone 15 Plus and your USB-C charging cable. So the 128GB iPhone 15 Plus is $25.81 a month for 36 months at 0% APR or $9.29. 256 gigs is $28.58 a month for 36 months 0% APR or $10.29. 512 gigabytes $34.14 a month for 36 months 0% APR $1229.99. So yeah. And I also recommend that you guys get insurance for your iPhone. Definitely recommend it. iPhone 15 Plus, take the big leap. iPhone 15 Plus brings you dynamic island, a 48 megapixel main camera, USB-C, all in a durable color infused glass and aluminum design. I don't know what the text does that, so I don't know what it does. It pisses me off every time I look at the thing here. So anyways, the iPhone 15 Plus has dynamic island, comes to the iPhone 15. Innovative design for the 8 megapixel main camera with 2x telephoto, next generation portraits, powerhouse A16 bionic chip, USB-C connectivity, vital safety features. Be sure to update your device to the latest software version. Check settings for available updates if any. This is a 5G compatible device. Roaming on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan and your passport is up to date. Fair enough. Specs. The iPhone 15 Plus has a 6.7-inch OLED display. The iPhone 15 Plus weighs 7.09 ounces. Dimensions 6.33 inches height, 3.06 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. It takes an eSIM. It has A16 bionic chip with 5-core GPU. It has a 48 megapixel main camera with f1.6 aperture, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with f2.4 aperture, 12 megapixel front facing true depth camera, f1.9 aperture, A16 bionic chip with 5-core GPU, storage 128 gigs, 256 gigs or 512 gigs, battery built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, Face ID enabled by true depth camera for facial recognition, sub-6 GHz 5G and millimeter wave, roaming of course. What's in the box is your iPhone 15 Plus, USB-C charging cable, and your documentation. If you guys want to learn more about the iPhone 15 Plus, I will have the link down below. Alright, so check that out. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 15 Plus is now here visible by Verizon. So all three storage options are in stock, so it depends on what color that you guys want. You guys might have to think about what color and storage option that you guys want, because they may or may not be in stock. So check periodically to see if the one that you guys want is in stock. So yeah, if you guys like big iPhones and stuff like that, the iPhone 15 Plus is worth checking out here. It's basically a bigger iPhone 15, basically a bigger iPhone 15. So yeah, very nice looking phone and whatnot. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.